Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Friday evening about 9:30. Skies are still clear. It's just kind of cool and quiet. We do expect some low clouds, even a little fog to be rolling in much later tonight and towards daybreak on Saturday. We have sort of an unsettled weekend ahead with rain for part of it. Temperatures as of the 9 o'clock, almost 10 o'clock hour now. Middle to upper 40s, still holding on to 50 barely in Providence. Coventry 45. Bristol coming in at 48, and New Bedford checks in at 46. We'll stay in the 40s, better part of the overnight. So dry skies overnight, unsettled weekend. What does that mean? Well, a lot of clouds on Saturday. The daylight hours of Saturday, it looks dry, though it is breezy and cool, or cooler. Some showers, drizzle, and fog later Saturday night. Steady rain likely on Sunday, heavy at times, especially from morning through about early afternoon, but certainly keep the umbrella nearby. Temperatures staying seasonable. We don't see any big warm-ups. Seasonable means, generally upper 50s to low 60s. That's pretty much where we should be from mid to late April. Skies are generally clear, though I do expect low clouds and fog to be rolling in overnight towards daybreak Saturday. Here's the precipitation that we're tracking out across the Midwest and the Ohio Valley. This is along a cold front, this blue line right in here. So this is all going to track off to the east, and this will pretty much be our rainmaker for later Saturday night and especially into Sunday. We take this into the future, and we'll jump ahead to Saturday afternoon. And here we are with mainly cloudy skies. This temperature actually may be too generous. We're thinking more like upper 50s to around 60, but the cloud cover and the wind off the water really won't help the temperatures too much. But the daytime on Saturday stays dry. Showers late Saturday night. Here we are on Sunday. This is when the bulk of the rain will occur. This is Sunday morning up until early Sunday afternoon. And then most of it lifting to our north by Sunday evening. But we are left with isolated, kind of scattered light showers Sunday evening and into early on Sunday night. The potential is there for over a half inch of rain, up to an inch of rain on Sunday. Here we are Monday morning, starting off with early morning clouds, but drier. There'll be a little partial sun, but later in the afternoon, watch for an isolated shower. So Monday is not a washout or a rain day, but a spot or kind of an isolated shower can't be ruled out. Let's take a closer look at the forecast. And you see the low clouds and fog that are rolling in towards daybreak. This is Saturday morning, 6 a.m., and we jump ahead to Saturday afternoon. Don't be fooled by this. I mean, if there's any sun, it would be partial and brief. This is actually Saturday afternoon. Then watch how the clouds just kind of fill right back in, looking at gray skies. And then later Saturday evening, Saturday night, you can see some elements back in here. We'll start to see some drizzle and fog and showers developing late Saturday night and especially on into Sunday. Rainfall amounts, and this is essentially falling on Sunday, anywhere from 3/4 to almost an inch of rain. And it's much needed, actually. We're running below average for the month of April by over 2 inches. It'll certainly clean out the very high tree pollen that we have. So Saturday morning is one of those more clouds than sun kind of deals. Breezy, dry by 11 a.m., 53. Any sun in the afternoon would be limited. If it were to come out, the clouds would quickly fill back in. I think the best we can do here is upper 50s to low 60s, which again is normal for this time of year. The winds are out of the southeast at around 10 to 20. Bay forecast, looking at that southeast wind at 10 to 15, gusts to 20 knots, waves of 1 to 3 feet. Visibility unrestricted, but with that said, the chance for a little fog along the coastline early in the morning, and then it will tend to roll back in by Saturday evening and Saturday night. But the day as a whole should feature unrestricted visibility, and essentially your weekend outlook here is pretty straightforward with extra clouds, cooler and dry most of Saturday, and then bringing in that showery weather later Saturday night with rain heavy at times coming up on Sunday.